Post-cable camera inspection at 922 10th Avenue East. This is the city main out on 10th Avenue East. We're going to start pulling back. As you can see, we're in clay pipe out here. Pretty big offset at the main there. Offsets. Keep going. So the clog was caused by paper towel buildup in a section that appears to have a break in it. We'll get a better visual now, hopefully. That looked like a rock just going down past us, so they're coming from somewhere. Now we're in concrete pipe now, so it's clay under the road, and then under the sidewalk goes the concrete. I don't even... Alright, slow down. Alright. Pulling up. So this is the problem area right through here. Right here. Slow down. Back just a little bit. Back. Back. Right there. So it looks like the bottom of the pipe is missing right here. You can see the water dip down right there. Also on the right hand side of the screen there's root intrusion coming through where there's no seam, I don't believe, which is concerning. Let's go in just a little bit, try to get a look at that. See right there, you can see where it dips down. That is a piece of section where there's no pipe and it's on the bottom. So this is exactly where all the toilet paper or the paper towels were building up at. It was a pretty decent clog. It backed all the way up to the second story. So yeah, so we're gonna keep pulling back now. We're in cast iron and we're popping out the clean out. So that's just outside the wall of the apartment complex here. I'm gonna end the recording there.